Hi guys, I know the lighting is awful. It gets dark so early nowadays, but today was a cold winter day. It was really sad because it was cold and gloomy, and there's no better pick-me-up than plant shopping. You don't even have to actually buy plants. Window shopping is good enough, at least for me anyways. So I decided to come to Lowe's. So we're at Lowe's and we're gonna check out their winter selection. I'm hoping that it's gonna be okay, but I honestly don't have much faith in it. Here we go. Here we are at the houseplant section. I'm really glad that it's not overtaken by poinsettias because that's usually what happens during the winter time. But maybe it's not late enough into the season yet because I freaking hate poinsettias. They're awful. But let's start over here at the, oh my god, there they are. Oh, thank goodness they kept them outside where we don't need to see them. So first off, my eye is going straight to these babies. Straight to these neon pothos. They're so long. Oh, they're thirsty. Usually when I see neon pothos, they're short. They're like 4-inch plants. But these are big mamas. They're $14.98. Oh, they're so pretty. There's some little baby Fiddle Leaf Figs, $12.98. Up here, you see this? This is glued down. I don't like it. I think it's not great for the plant. But I tried doing this with pumice. Not gluing it down, but just having a top dressing, and it looked, I just was not a fan about how it looked. But this looks cute. Little Cylindrica. This is $9.98. And we got some, what are you? A little tiny baby money tree and some peperomias. These are $12.98. Crotons. Ooh, back here. Sorry, I'm just not into these crotons. This is a Triostar for $12.98. Stromanthe. Mine is doing awful. It's one of the plants that I'm just like not caring for properly, and I feel really bad, but I don't know, it reminds me too much of a Calathea. Here, adansonii, beautiful adansonii for $14.98. Remember when they were like so hard to come across? Every time I saw one, I was so excited that I saw an adansonii, and I would like buy them. And now I have like overflow of adansoniis. Here's a Dracaena, marginata. Oop! Oh, sorry, little adansonii. There we go. $12.98. Some more palmy palms. I think these are pest magnets too. $12.98. But I think they're so pretty. I've never like kept one because I just don't have enough light in my house. I think they need bright light. There's this little Ctenanthe. This always reminds me of like a bug, like dragonfly wings or something. This is $14.98. I think it needs a little drinky drink. But okay. I was talking about this, but my eye like went up and I saw this. And I know that's Thanksgiving cactus bloom. I think it's really pretty because it's orange. But anyways, in front of us here we have some Dieffenbachias for $12.98. I love this one. I've always wanted one, but it's not meant to be yet. I will get one day. $12.98. That's a really good price. If I were to get one, it should be now, but now is not the moment. We have heartleaf philodendrons for $9.98. If you're thinking of giving a plant as a gift, this is a good one. This is a good one to go with. Some ferns, and this Zebrina. This is really pretty. It's really like sparkly. I don't know if it's if it's translating on camera, but it's $9.88. Wow, it's very sparkly. I'm not really that much of a fan of Wait, Zebrina. Tradescantias, but I don't know if you could see the sparkle. I think you can. Oh, maybe if I put flash on it. Let me get my phone out. Oh, you can see it. That is like the prettiest Tradescantia I've ever seen. Wow, I'm never gonna get over that. It just has a weird growth pattern from what I'm seeing here. Oh, I kind of want it, but I just know that I cannot take care of another plant right now. But wow, that is so gorgeous. $9.98. Oh my goodness. I might get it. I don't know. I shouldn't, but I might do it. We got some lemon lime philodendrons for $12.98. I'm gonna be honest, when they're like next to the regular ones, they kind of look like they're dying. They're dying philodendrons. They're $12.98. It's next to another one of these. Maybe we could get a better. Oh, they're so gorgeous. What? Okay, and then we have some more $4.98 golden pothos. That's also a good gift. More crotons. Let's see what we have over here. Ooh, another Triostar. Triostars are so pretty. Holy Jesus. Dude, do you see this leaf? What the heck? This is the biggest Calathea ornata leaf I've ever seen. We need to get a look at this plant that it's attached to. Damn, that is a big mama. Holy crap. I'm so genuinely shocked at how huge it is. I've literally never seen that before. And then there's some spider plants, some more adansonii, and just another look over here. Down here we have some variegated peace lilies, looking all cute. They're $9.98. I feel like they're not really often at, like they are at like Lowe's and big box stores, but it's not like a super often thing, you know? And over here, there's these Brazils for $19.98, and it's only that much because of the pot. And we got little 4-inch adansonii and some trees, ficuses for $19.98. That's like the bulk of like the indoor plants. Over here, I saw some Syngoniums. This is one of my favorite kinds of Syngoniums. It is $5.98. I have one of these, but I keep it outside. Like when I bought it, it looked like this, like fully pink, but I leave it out in literally like direct sun, and now it looks like these. So I don't know what's going on there, but that was a weird transition that I actually like this one more, so maybe I should take it out of full sun, huh? We got some peace lilies for $6.98. And flowers. Ooh, here are the cactuses. Holiday cactus, they call them now. Look at those beautiful blooms. So pretty. Hey, we never saw the one that was in that like bundle. We'll go look for it, but if I were to buy one, I would buy this one because it doesn't have any blooms yet. How much are these? These are $10.98. Oh, okay. And then also, if you don't care about what color your Christmas, or these are Thanksgiving, your Thanksgiving cactuses, you can wait until like later on, and they're all gonna go on sale because they don't have flowers anymore. And you can literally just pick up like a 4-inch plant like this for $1. And right now it's $5.98. So if you don't care about the bloom color, that's definitely what you should do. But even if you don't know the bloom color, like sometimes it'll tell you, but you just don't know if it's accurate. Over here we got golden pothos, ferns. Ooh, there's some heartleaf ferns here. These are $5.98. They're so pretty and so cute. There's also some Argyraeus Scindapsus here. These are $5.98. These are also like a good gift gift plant. They're a good size, they're like very easy to care for, they're really pretty. They're a little bit more uncommon. So maybe if you want something more uncommon instead of like just a golden pothos. And snake plant. I think I saw some pileas. Oh, here's a pilea. This is $5.98. And I think that's about everything. There's this section of clearance plants for 50% off. This is where all the Thanksgiving cactuses are gonna be. But I think this would be a good plant to buy from here because they're very hardy, these snake plants. So that would be a good plant to buy. This peace lily right here, all it needs is some water and it's gonna revive fully. I found this Monstera. It doesn't look that healthy. It's only $24.98. I think that if someone wants like a statement plant, you should get them a deliciosa. That's a good one. And I'm looking at these pots. These are kind of expensive. I'm looking for self-watering pots. Oh, these are kind of cute. The Thanksgiving cactuses are back here by these huge ornata leaves. They're $24.98 for these huge things. I think that's good. This one is like pink. I like the orange one. I came outside to see their Thanksgiving cactus blooms. They mostly have these like bright pink ones, but there's some white and red in here. I bought the plant and I love this plant. It's so pretty, that's why I bought it. But I don't really need like a whole entire 6-inch pot. So I was thinking that if you guys want a cutting, because I feel like I could get a lot of cuttings from this. I only want one cutting. So I feel like if you guys want a cutting, you could just leave a comment down below saying that you would like a cutting. And then however many I can get out of this plant, I'll ship out that many. So if you're in the US and you want a cutting, let me know in the comments down below. And then I think in 7 days, I'll reply to your comment letting you know that I have a cutting for you. So, I don't know, I just thought like, Merry Christmas. Just kidding. Yeah, because I definitely do not need this whole entire plant. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.